This is how you build a two-tiered raised garden bed, and I actually got it from Gardener Supply Company. In order to do this, you're going to actually build two raised garden beds that have two different lengths but have the same width. That way it's completely stackable. Now, Gardener Supply Company actually has the metal connectors for the corners, but I actually forgot to order them, which makes me pretty sad because I really wanted them because they come with a lifetime warranty. And those corner connectors can be used for your own raised garden bed even if you don't use their lumber. So after you've completed building your first raised garden bed that is the biggest size, it's time to build your smaller one, because that's what's going to go on top of your raised garden bed that you just built. Then you're going to connect your smaller raised bed to your big raised bed. And you connect the two raised beds together by pushing downwards at an angle to make sure those screws went through both boards. Then you're going to go ahead and recycle those cardboard boxes that your raised garden bed came in. Those cardboard boxes are now your initial weed barrier for your raised garden bed. And you're going to fill up your raised bed with all the soil that you can find, including our favorite black cow, because that's what's going to feed our plants for the rest of this year. And the best thing about having a two-tiered raised garden bed is the fact you can practically grow two different variety of plants in the same area. So in the lower level of the raised garden bed, we are growing longevity spinach and Okinawa spinach because they love the heat this time of the year. And in the upper level, we are going to grow 5 bell pepper plants. This is one of the easiest and best projects you can do for your garden this year. And it also gives your garden that look that you know exactly what you're doing when it comes to growing your own food.